Catalan cinema has had an amazing year. Films in Catalan were watched by a record number of people in 2024. How many? 728,435 in Catalan cinemas alone. That's almost double the previous record from 2010. And this is happening while cinemas are facing tough times. So what's the secret? Two movies are leading the charge. First up, A House on Fire, Casa en Flamas, a comedy drama about a Catalan family reuniting for a weekend on the Costa Brava. It made over €3 million at the Spanish box office. Then there's El 47, The 47, telling the true story of social struggles in Barcelona's Torre Baró neighbourhood in the 1970s. It's the most watched film in Catalan in 40 years, made €3.25 million at the box office and picked up 5 Goya awards.
The very first time in Spanish history that a Catalan film that talks in Catalan, shot in Catalan, is #1 in box office. Now we can go to big platforms like Prime, Netflix, HBO and Spanish networks and say, hey, we want to shoot in Catalan because it's possible to make a huge impact and a big success.
Catalan cinema has been getting some global recognition, like Carla Simon's Alcaraz winning the Golden Bear at the 2022 Berlinale. But the big difference this year? Unprecedented commercial success. What's your favourite Catalan film? Tell us in the comments.